thina singama light workers sizovusa nina, but some of you they get it twisted. Awukwazi ukuthi ikhona right umdala akayibheki iMessenger mayefuna ukuletha imessage engayiletha nanoma ingubani nangomuntu omthatha kancane hayi akhali kunabantu who get it twisted abacabanga ukuthi ispirituality esokuba nemali nayo yonke material success akusisona salokho. And kunabantu abacabanga ukuthi kumele ukuthi balalele umuntu onale izinto abayifunayo bona ukuze babone ukuthi ispirituality siyasebenza. Lokho abathi bona usuccessful mangabe unakho. They are getting everything twisted, and as a matter of fact they'll never ever get it right uma ngabe ukuthi basayibuka ngaleyo ndlela izinto. How do you measure the quality of life? How do you measure the quality of the spiritual liberation and spiritual attainment? Do you measure it through the material success? No, that's not how we used to do. Yashona lilithwila ngiyashona bila. Okay. I got it. There are people who get it twisted. Abacabanga ukuthi ispirituality esokuthola izinto, esokuthola imoto nezimali nazo zonke izinto. Let me tell you this. Spiritual liberation is the only freedom. It is just the only freedom. Anything else is just an illusion. Yabo? Because there are people who think ukuze belalele imessage iphathelene nespirituality la kumele kube ukuthi lo muntu okhulumayo unalezi zinto bona abayifisayo represent success according to them, according to bona. That's not how it works. Because umdala engasebenzisa nanoma iyiphi messenger ukudlulisa imessage. Ngisho iphara lokho kubiza ngephara ungayithola imessage lapha ebekwe umdali ukuthi wena uascend. But because you are just getting this thing twisted between spirituality ne material success, ngaleyo ndlela ke you won't get it right. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunombani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho sisuka khona futhi kukude lapho siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Angeke ke size sikhulume njenge religion le ethi kumele ukuthi uhlupheke la emhlabeni ugqoka amanikiniki uyobusa kahle ngale ndawo engale ifihlekile. Cha we don't talk that. Uma spiritually liberated and enlightened kumele ukuthi okuhle kukufanele in abundance futhi okuhle nje imali nakho konke okunye kukufanele. But nakho kumele ukuthi ukwazi kwa spiritual ukonyelisa ngokwe level yakho. Awukwazi ukuthi use level 3 wena usufuna izinto zomuntu ku level 7. Yes. Ukonyeliswa ngangokwe level yakho. That is why abantu abanye uthola ukuthi bafuna izinto attain umuntu, material things attain umuntu oku level 7. Kodwa bayifuna bona akho level abakuyona. As a result umthola umuntu sehambe uyobulala abantu bayinkabi, uthola umuntu sehambe uyobamba imoto zemali, uthola umuntu seyenza wenza nje izinto eziterrible nje ngoba ufuna imali. Ngenxa yokuthini ufuna ukuthola izinto zomuntu ose attain spiritual liberation kwe level ethile yena akekho ndawo. Ayikho into asayenzile yena. Yabo ufuna ukuhola engasebenzanga. Bese shaya ama shortcut but ke in one way or other that will catch up with him or her at a later stage. lana ma spiritually enlightened noma spiritual journey uya understand ukuthi zonke izinto zihamba ngomthetho zenzeka ngokwe-law, yabo. I-law of patience and greatness mele apply lapho ukuthi zonke izinto ezinhle will take time, and wena usticke kwi-journey yakho, yabo. Awukwazi ukuba kwi-pressure yokuthi awunayo imoto, awunawo umuzi, mhlampe awusebenzi noma kunezinto ezithile ezimaterial osayidinga. Awukwazi ukuthi leyo nto leyo ikwenza ukuthi ube heavy ekubeni ukuthi spiritually enlightened. Ayikwazi ukwenza into ube heavy. Ayikwazi lento leyo ukwenza ukuthi udike ibala endleleni. Kusho there is still a lot that you still need to do, yabo. Because spiritual liberation sikuliberate kuyona yonke lama attachments and desires and know your true essence of who you are. But some people ngenxa yokuba myopic and short-sighted wabo, they just think so for them to listen, or if they see us talking here, they think we should have 5 cars and 10 houses so that they will have to listen. Ujaja kanjani impilo yomuntu noma ubona kanjani lo muntu liberated? Awukwazi ukujaja nge-material success ukuthi lo muntu liberated, because there are people who are having all those 5 cars and 10 houses and all the money that you think, but they are not at peace, and they just wish ukuthi ngangcono ube kuthiwa ngi-spiritually and soul wise liberated kunokuthi ngibe liberated materially, so but I'm spiritually broke, yabo. Ayikho into engingayenza that can buy me ukuba spiritually liberated. Ngilento ekuthiwa soul bondage, soul tie, ngiboshiwe ngokomoya. I'm not liberated. Le mali nalezi moto, they don't do anything for me, but these people, they don't know that. Ispirit isijule kakhulu ngoba yazi umnikazi wayo indaba. Yazi ukuthi khona umuntu ongambona ehlalela lapha emahlathini eyihlalela eyigqokela lento ayigqokayo onganayo yonke lento icabanga, but spiritually liberated, free. And as a matter of fact, free kakhulu because yena uzikhethela ukuthi yini ayifunayo, and akazange azacabange wena first ukuthi uzothini ukuze azichuzele ukuthi yini right for yena. Cha, akanazo izinto lezi ezingabalekile kuye. Wena unenkinga because wena uyifunayo, yena uyazichuzela ukuthi yini ayifunayo for yena, yini afuna ukuyigqoka, yini konke uyakuchuza, free lo muntu. Kodwa wena unenkinga ukuthi akaligqoka igama, wena unenkinga ukuthi akayiphatha ifoni ukuthi, wena unenkinga ukuthi akanayo imoto, wena unenkinga ngoba wena ukwazi kubalekile lokho kuwe, but yena uliberated because doesn't consider anyone before yenza decision. Wazi ukuthi decision mele yenze njani ifave yena futhi imseve yena. Akakho free lo muntu, free mentally, spiritually and physically, free. Kunabantu njengamanje abangeke bezenze izinto abazithandayo ngenxa ukuthi they have to consider other people first. Spiritual liberation sikuliberate kuyona yonke imaya le. Tina now we understand ukuthi this is the maya, this is the matrix, this is the mechanism that is there, this is the illusion that is there. We just pick our roles, which role we want to play, because now we understand this is the game, all of it is. But there are people who are taking this thing seriously, yabo. They are taking it very, very serious, and they judge other people based on their criteria. Behluleka understand ukuthi wonke umuntu uyiphikela irole azoyidlala la, but unfortunately yena uconditioniwe, akekho free, akekho mentally and spiritually free. Wazi ukuthi kumele kwenzeke kanje, nathi into uchuzelwe ubani, and ucabanga ukuthi njobe esechuzelwe yena ukuthi yini ebalekile for yena, naye kumele achuzele abanye abantu ukuthi yini ebalekile for bona. Wena, the best thing you can do is to listen to the message that resonates with you, that will help you, rather than weighing things. Because it doesn't cost a thing to listen to the message that will liberate you. It doesn't cost a thing. At some point, at some stage, I said, I have 2 spiritual guiders and mentors in our list. And they are financially well-to-do. But akusho ukuthi omunye umuntu ongenazo lezi zinto abanazo angimlaleli, ngiyamlalela. And it seems like I listen to those people more than I listen to those people I consider as spiritual guiders and mentors I look up to. I listen to everyone. This is speaking life and spiritual liberation. But bese kuba khona umuntu othi unakhona ukuthi